How we doing, guys? A lot of you are trying to trade crypto because you're trying to make a living. You're trying to make some money back that you've lost in the bear market along with everyone else. I want to show you guys the statistics of our scalping strategy that we have really been going hard after since May 18th. The past videos you've seen me doing scalping videos, you've heard me say probably in every video, May 18th. Why that? Starting May 18th, we're coming up on 2 months ago. We ended up calling out trades on YouTube here. We've called out a total of 40% profit scalping crypto. So I'll show you guys how we're doing this. I'm gonna show you the strategy, and I'm also gonna show you guys a spreadsheet of all the trades that we've taken, just so you can see this. So it's all transparent because I've got something, to share with you guys at the end of this. Okay, you guys are down right now. A lot of you guys are just sitting there and you're holding all of your positions in a loss. You may, I'm not, a financial advisor, but you may want to consider start scalping with us in order to earn some money back. Okay. I do think this is a really good way of scalping. And one of the things I really want to master in crypto is the best scalping strategy possible. So let me show this to you guys right now. Before I do that, let me show you guys the proof of where we're currently at because I created this spreadsheet. We'll eventually, I want to tidy some things up here, but I will eventually release this to our members so you guys can have this. So here's the deal, guys. This is keeping track of the dates of all the ones we've called out. These were all on YouTube. And this is the ticker. These are the actual videos of the exact ones I called out. You guys can see it's popping up over here with thumbnails over here of scalping entries and such like that. So what we do, we have links to all that. All of these hit the 4% profit and more, actually. Some of them got quite a bit higher, but 4% is what we're going for. It's better to take some wins and go home than versus, getting into the profit, not taking anything, and it reverses on you. Like, that's the worst feeling in the world ever. We don't do that. We take profit. Okay. Let's take a look at profits real quick. Now, mind you, understand this, please, everybody understand this. I am not calculating in fees. Well, why am I not doing that? Because all of you guys have different fees. Please calculate in and take these estimates here as estimates, but understand that you need to calculate fees. Now, we did hit 4% on all these. Those aren't estimates. Those are straight up facts. We did hit 4% on every single take profit, but understand, calculate your fees. Some of you guys are trading with no fees on your exchange, and your exchange is just giving you guys a small little spread. Some of you guys on Coinbase are trading with 0.50%. Some of you on Coinbase are trading with 0.25% based on how much money you have. Okay, just want to make that transparent. Let's go over this. So since May 18th, we have called out a total of 10 trades. Now, if you guys are adding this up here, you're like, oh wait, this doesn't add 40%. Here's what I'm keeping track of. Yes, we did call another trade in here, and it's on the YouTube video. But here's why I didn't want to count it. If you guys are taking our trades in order, so if you literally took your entire balance and you took the first trade, the second trade, and these were all caught on YouTube. So if you guys took all these in sequential order here, technically you couldn't have taken the second trade on the same day that we called it out. Okay, we called out a Doge, and another trade in here was a Solana trade, but I'm not tracking that because I just didn't feel like it was fair to represent the analysis the best. I want to track this as if you guys are you are a member, subscribe to our membership. I'll show you guys that in a second here, and then you can follow me on every trade. We're going to open a trade, close a trade, open a trade, close a trade. So you can follow me with this. That's how we're going to keep this super simple. All right, take a look. We have done 36% profit here, and we're on our trade. I just called out a trade this morning for all of our members, which will be the 40th percent. We are currently 360% more than the S&P 500. The average is about 10% a year. Arguably, you could say it's lower than that now, but I'm going to use 10%. We are 360% higher than that, and we've only done this for 54 days, less than 2 months, guys. If you are using a full balance to enter into our trades, you're looking at 36% profit. If you're using a buy limit, which I'll show you in a second, one buy limit for good risk management, you're at 18, two buy limits, you're at 12, and three buy limits, you're at 9%. That translates over to 0.67% a day, 0.33, 0.22, and 0.17% profit averaged per day. Again, this doesn't include fees, but depending on what you guys are charged for fees, again, some of you none, some of you some, you guys can take that into account. We've won 9 trades. We haven't lost a single trade yet. This morning, I called out the best new scalping trade to all of our members. These were all on YouTube, and now I'm going to start calling these out to our members. So very quickly, before I show you the strategy, this $95 a month, guys, is going to give you access to every single scalping trade. Yes, we'll call some more out on YouTube just for fun, but the majority of them, we're going to start calling them out over the membership. Once you sign up, You guys need to go into the Telegram channel and simply just join right there. Once you join in Telegram, I'm going to be calling all the trades out. Let me give you an example. This morning, I called out a trade and I said this, new inside tip available. Here's the best scalping trade setup for today, targeting 4% profit. Let's do this. Click this. Only members will be able to click this. And once you guys sign in, you'll be able to see the setup. All right. Something else real quick. We're considering opening our Telegram channel to the public. The reason why we can do this is because when we post things like this, only members who are able to actually click this, it's a members only page. So, once you guys have a membership here, you will get access to literally everything on the website. So I just want to let you guys know that. Okay, now let me go over and I want to spend just like a couple minutes here. I want to show you guys how to actually trade the strategy. So I'll actually teach it to you guys right here if you want. You guys can grab our indicators. You can trade this yourself. Because if you guys are seeing those profits, a lot of you guys are like, I just want to trade the strategy. That's awesome. The indicators you do need, you guys are going to get 82% off the bundle pack. You guys can click this right here. You'll get all the indicators you need. Main indicators, trend exhaustion, price to swell, money flow. Use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout if you guys want the best deal on these, okay? Save money. I'm going to write it out here really quick because I want to keep this video flowing nicely. That says save money if you can't read it. Enter those and you guys will get a discount on both these indicators. The bundle pack is just the best deal because it's the cheapest and you get the most value for it. Let's go. So here's what you guys are going to be doing. I'm going to use this as an example. Let's take a look at a coin here. Let's take a look at whatever. We'll just do Bitcoin, for example. What you guys are doing is you're looking for two things here. You're going to go through all your coins and look to see if the trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section, the white line. If it is in the bottom red section and well money flow is moving down here, that is a valid entry to look for a market order. But there's one more thing I want you guys to confirm. There's these two signals here. And then you need to come back over here and go to the actual charts. And what we're going to be looking for over here, ideally, we want to see this metric pushing down below 50%. I like to try to get it around 80 to 100. I know this morning I called out some other things. You guys understand why, because I told you as a members of why I entered into the coin that I chose. But you guys want to start seeing this push down. This shows you the percentage chance of a market reversal. When this comes down here and close to 80 to 100%, that is a huge sign we're most likely going to see a move back up, and we can see this in the past, okay? So we're using two indicators, the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow, and what you guys can do is you can come through on all these coins and say, okay, where is the trend exhaustion the lowest? Okay, we got trend exhaustion low here, almost in the bottom red section. So let's say we were just tracking these three coins. Once you see trend exhaustion low, look for the coin that has the lowest well money flow. Okay, this value right here is sitting at 27.87. Okay, over here we're sitting at 42, and let's say on Ethereum we're sitting over here at 47. The best entry out of these three is going to be 88 because trend exhaustion is low and well money flow is the lowest. Those are the two best indicators you guys can get to call moves up and down the market. Seriously, period. Like, they are amazing. Once you confirm this, now let me take you over here and show you guys how to use good risk management. So you'd go through there, you'd come down here, you go to ADA. Look at this. ADA is literally sitting, it's actually not a bad trade setup. You guys are looking at about a 75 to 77% chance of reversal on ADA. Now, once you do that, just scroll straight down here, and here are all your guys' buy limits for all the entries. So let me take you back over here. Do you remember when I showed you guys this over here and I said if you use one buy limit, two buy limits, or three? Okay, follow me here. If you guys enter with a market order and you go for 4%, that's great. You can take 4%. Just take your entry times by 1.04 and make that your sell limit. This is a lot higher than 4%. This is in case we explode up here. We want to make sure we have a sell limit. But if you guys want to enter market order and then you want to use your first buy limit, which is the second one, if you want a market order, you don't need a first one then, if you're just going to market. This would be your first buy limit, this would be your second, and this would be your third. That is what I'm talking about over here. If you do this, you buy yourself really, really, really good risk management in case the market goes down. But you have to understand, the market may go back up and you may not make as much, but you have better insurance. So you guys can choose how many buy limits you want to use. Even using 3 buy limits for super good insurance, you guys are at about 9% in the last 2 months. Guys, that's averaging like 4.5% a month. You're doing 50%, close to 50% of the S&P 500 every single month. And that's with the greatest amount of insurance or the greatest amount of risk management possible that you guys can use. Like, this is pretty ridiculous over here. So we create a strategy that's going to keep you super, super, super safe. Like, look, guys, if this market goes down, it has to go all the way down here to 12 cents. And then you're looking to ride this back up because of the break-evens. As you hit buy limits, your break-even entry is going to move down with you. Like, this thing is super awesome. Now, you guys can do that all on your own. That's awesome. get the indicators, do that. Or what you guys can do, I would still recommend getting the indicators so you guys can watch what I'm talking about, but you guys can go ahead and subscribe over here for $95 a month, and you guys are going to get all the call outs that I do in Telegram, just like I showed you over here, where I'm going to be calling trades out. And I did just call a trade out this morning. I'm not going to tell you guys which one it was because I want to keep that private for all of our traders, but we did end up calling a trade out this morning for our members, and it is live already, and I'll let you guys know exactly when it hits 4%. You'll know that as well because we have the 4% on the chart that we sent everybody. So guys, I hope this is really helpful. I personally just really like charts like this where everything's just kept transparent. There's documentation of every trade we entered into. We have dates here. We've got the ticker, the profits. I like this. So I thought you guys just enjoy this. So I want to release this today for you guys and hope you enjoy it. So the indicators are in the description. We'll keep calling some scalping trades out. We'll see how the last one we just entered in does. And yeah, guys, snag a membership and we'll keep calling things out. Jake is going to be releasing an Ethereum video soon, so make sure you guys watch that. He is absolutely crushing it on YouTube videos, so I'm excited to see that video coming out here soon. And guys, I'll see you tomorrow. All right, snag everything you need in the description, indicators and membership, and let's win some more trades. Bye, guys.